Email verification failed on CoinGecko Fix. If you're trying to sign up for CoinGecko and your email verification isn't working, you're not alone. Many users encounter this problem, but the good news is it's usually easy to fix once you follow the right steps. First, make sure the email address you entered is correct. Even a single typo, extra space, or missing character can prevent the verification email from being sent. Accuracy here is essential. Next, check every folder in your inbox, including spam, junk, or promotions. Automated emails from CoinGecko are sometimes filtered incorrectly by Gmail, Outlook, or Yahoo. Once you locate the email, click the verification link promptly, because these links often expire quickly. If you still haven't received the email, request a new verification link from the CoinGecko website. Resending the link resolves the issue for most users. Sometimes the problem is related to your browser or device. Clearing your browser cache, switching browsers, or using the CoinGecko mobile app can ensure the verification email is delivered correctly. In some cases, your email provider may block automated messages. If this happens, try signing up with a different email address, preferably Gmail or Outlook, which are generally more reliable for receiving verification emails. Finally, if none of these steps work, contact CoinGecko support. Explain that your email verification failed despite checking all folders and resending the link. Support can manually verify your account, so you can start using CoinGecko without delay. Remember, check your email carefully, inspect all folders, resend the link if necessary, try a different browser or device, and contact support if needed. Following these steps usually fixes email verification issues quickly, so you can start tracking crypto prices and market data right away.